Today we learn essential English words for meat and poultry. These words help you shop, cook, and talk about food in everyday conversations, recipes, and restaurants. Beef, chicken, pork, lamb, turkey, and fish are the most common types you will hear and use. Beef comes from cows. Steak is a thick slice of beef, perfect for grilling. Ground beef is chopped beef used for burgers and meatballs. Roast beef is cooked whole, then sliced for sandwiches. Ribs are meaty bones great for barbecue. Chicken is white meat from chickens. Breast is the lean part from the chest. Wing is the small arm part, often fried. Thigh is the upper leg, dark and juicy. Drumstick is the lower leg, very popular. Pork comes from pigs. Bacon is thin slices from the belly, fried crispy. Ham is the cured upper leg, eaten cold or baked. Ribs are meaty pork bones. Chops are thick slices from the loin. Lamb is meat from young sheep, very tender. Mutton is from older sheep, stronger flavor. Leg of lamb is roasted whole for holidays. Lamb chops are small rib pieces. Shoulder is used for slow cooking. Turkey is large poultry for holidays. Turkey breast is lean white meat. Turkey leg includes thigh and drumstick. Ground turkey makes healthy burgers. Turkey bacon is a leaner bacon alternative. Fish is healthy protein from water. Salmon is pink fish rich in omega-3. Tuna comes in cans or fresh steaks. Cod is white fish for frying. Sardine is small, oily fish eaten whole. How much per pound asks the price by weight. Is this fresh checks quality. Boneless please means no bones. 2 pounds of chicken specifies quantity and type. Where can I find the meat section asks location. Do you have fresh vegetables checks availability. Can I pay by card asks payment method. How much does this cost asks total price.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.